In 2002, a man named John Darwin staged his own death in a canoeing accident off the coast of England. His wife Anne and their two sons believed he was lost at sea, and the authorities confirmed his disappearance as a tragic drowning. The family was devastated. John's wife even collected a life insurance payout. However, 5 years later in 2007, John walked into a London police station, alive and well. It turns out he hadn't died at all. Instead, he had faked his own death and was living in hiding, just a short distance from his family. He and his wife had planned the entire thing, and they were living off the insurance money they collected after his supposed death. John had even gone as far as leaving behind his clothes in the canoe to make it look like he drowned, and his wife supported the entire hoax, even going so far as to mourn his death. But the scheme started to unravel when John was spotted in Panama in 2006, where he had started a new life under a fake name. Eventually, the truth came out. Both John and his wife were arrested for fraud and conspiracy.